Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we're talking about how to overcome a keto diet plateau. If you're following the ketogenic diet, you may have experienced a period of weight loss followed by a plateau, where the scale seems to have stopped moving. This can be frustrating, but it's important to remember that weight loss is not always a linear process. Here are a few tips to help you break through a keto diet plateau. Check your ketone levels. Make sure you're in ketosis by using a ketone meter or testing strips. If you're not in ketosis, try adjusting your carb intake or increasing your physical activity to get back into ketosis. Evaluate your calorie intake. Are you eating too much or too little? Use a calorie tracking app to make sure you're in a calorie deficit. Don't fear carbs. If you've been strict with your carb intake, try increasing your carb intake slightly for a few days. This can help reset your metabolism and kickstart weight loss again. Try intermittent fasting. This eating pattern involves restricting your eating window to a specific number of hours each day. Intermittent fasting can help boost fat loss and break through a weight loss plateau. Mix up your workouts. If you've been doing the same workout routine for a while, your body may have adapted to it. Try adding in new exercises or increasing the intensity of your workouts to challenge your body. Get enough sleep. Lack of sleep can disrupt your hormones and make it harder to lose weight. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night. Remember, weight loss is not always a straight line. It's important to be patient and consistent with your keto diet and exercise routine. If you're still struggling to break through a weight loss plateau after trying these tips, consider seeking the help of a healthcare professional or registered dietitian. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more great content. To reach the best way to lose weight with the keto diet without medications. For weight loss and naturally, the link is in the description.